Martin does.
What's up guys, Martin does back again with another video with the Akai Force. Now I was running through the Akai Force and I created a drum rack. And when I created a drum rack, I wanted to extend it because I only had it over like 1 bar. So the notes were playing and I wanted to extend the notes further than 1 bar. Now it was getting a little bit complicated trying to perform that act. But through tons of research, I finally think I came up with something. And as I said before in one of my videos, when you're stuck, you hit shift and you mess around. Now, before we get into it, if you're new to this channel, my name is Martin Doss, DJ, producer from NYC, also representing the Caribbean, Jamaica, alright? If you're a subscriber already, thanks for subscribing and big up yourself, alright? So right now I'm just gonna dive down into the Force. I'm gonna play, let me do it. Let me play a drum loop to actually show you what I was trying to do and what I did to actually correct it, alright? So that's pretty much a drum loop. So if I hit clip, you actually see all the notes inside the clip, but it's going over the clip length is 2 bars, right? So let's stop that. So what I was trying to do before, if I wanted to extend the clip, I would actually go to event, and then I would actually, let me hit knobs, go to screen. First of all, I was actually trying to move the loop length, right, and taking it to four bars, or taking it all the way up to 16. And meanwhile doing that, I would have to hit shift, right, hit copy, hit select all, hit copy, and then I have to move. Let's say I wanted to go to 4 bars, I would move it to 4 bars, and I would put the playhead where I wanted it to be, so somewhere like there, and then I would hit shift and hit paste. But that was too much steps, and doing that, it's just like you're going into a never-ending road, because you got to be doing that over and over and over and over again, taking it up to 16 bars, and that's just too much. So this is the workaround for it. This is what I found out by just pressing shift and playing around with it. All right, so let's undo that. So let's undo it, put it back to 2 bars, go back to the matrix mode. All right, so now if I hit, let's say I hit the drum clip. All right, drum clip playing. So I hit the drum clip right now, and I want to extend it. So 8, 16, whatever I want to extend it to. All I do is hit shift, right, and then hit double. And you see change on the screen, 4 bars. I wanted to extend to 8 while holding shift, hit double at the bottom of your Force. All right, it's the third, let me see, it's the 3rd tab at the bottom of the Force, right? So I hit double again, goes to 8 bars. I hit double again, it goes to 16. All right, and that's pretty much it. So if you want to basically extend your clips to like 16 or 8, whatever you want to extend it to, you hit shift and you hit double. You hit back the clip and you go inside, and it duplicated all the notes over to the new bars, right? What I've noticed is that there's a lot of different ways to perform a specific task. So if you know a different way to extend or double the clip, please comment down below if I missed any steps. So let me know down in the comments, all right? And remember, please like, share, and subscribe. So Martin Doss, I'm out. Big up yourself until the next video. You see it. Out.